Okay, good morning, class 8. Today we will start the topic that is reproduction and adolescence, chapter number 8. Now, what is reproduction? In the previous class 7th, if you recall, you know the process. We studied the reproduction in plants, right? We studied the reproduction in plants. Now, we also studied about the various life processes like nutrition in animal and plants, respiration, excretion, circulation. Okay, we studied all these things in our previous class. What is reproduction? What is reproduction? So reproduction means producing young ones of their own kind. Okay, it's a biological process by which new individuals or organisms, they produce their offspring, they produce their babies. Okay, so the species of the organism thus continues even after their death. अगर reproduction नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा? If there is no reproduction, no organisms would be left after their death and the species would perish. Right? So, why reproduction is important? Reproduction is important because it is essential to maintain or to continue the species. Right? So, re means दोबारा से, production means बनाना. Okay, दोबारा से बनाना, producing young ones, producing babies. Okay, producing offsprings, producing copies. Okay, a mother, you all know that you are lovely babies of your mothers. Okay, so you are the new generation, you are the offspring, right? A dog will give or reproduce to a puppy, right? So the reproduction process is important, children, because it ensures the continuity of life, it ensures the continuity of a species. अगर रिप्रोडक्शन नहीं होगा तो वो स्पीसीज आगे जाके खत्म हो जाएगी. समझ रहे हैं बात को? सपोज मैंगो का एग्जांपल लेते हैं, मैंगो प्लांट. ओके, मैंगो प्लांट्स में से अगर सपोज मैंगो प्लांट इट विल नॉट प्रोड्यूस सीड्स, इट विल नॉट रिप्रोड्यूस, तो आगे आने वाली जनरेशन में आप देखेंगे कि मैंगो की स्पीसीज जो है वो पूरी तरीके से खत्म हो गई है एंड यू विल सी नो मोर मैंगो प्लांट ऑन द अर्थ, राइट? So to continue the species, to maintain for the existence of the species, one has to reproduce, one has to give birth to the young ones, one has to give producing the babies, right? To continue the generation, to continue their species, one has to produce, right? So now species I'm telling, what is a species? A species is the group of individuals of the same kind. Okay, they have the tendency to reproduce, right? So reproduction is our topic and this is the basic introduction, the definition of reproduction. What is reproduction? Reproduction is a process in which the parents will produce the young ones. Okay, or you can say it's a biological process by which new individuals or offsprings are produced from their parents. Yeah, now there are many ways by which young ones or the new individuals are produced from their parents. बहुत सारे तरीके हैं, जैसे स्नेक्स हो गए, चिकन्स हो गए. ओके, they and the babies come out from the egg. Okay, some are born from their mothers, like we born from our mothers. Kittens, puppies, some grow from parent body. कुछ ऐसे हैं जो अपनी पेरेंट बॉडी से ग्रो कर जाते हैं, जैसे अभी बताऊंगी मैं आपको। हाइड्रा, हाइड्रा में कुछ बर्ड निकलती है, इट अटैच एंड उससे नया इंडिविजुअल बन जाता है। सम स्प्लिट इनटू टू एंड फॉर्म मेनी पार्ट्स, like in case of amoeba. Okay, so there are different ways in which animals reproduce. Basically, or broadly, if we classify the mode of reproduction, then there are two modes of reproduction: asexual, sexual, asexual, and sexual mode of reproduction. Now, as it is your named, by its name, you can say asexual reproduction, the reproduction in which only single parent is involved. Single parent is involved. Okay, it is known as asexual reproduction. Single parent, one parent is involved. Sexual reproduction is a reproduction in which two parents are required. Now, the two parents, they will produce gametes. They will produce gametes, and there will be fusion of, there will be fusion, there will be fusion of male and female gametes. Male and female gametes. What all are these gametes? I will tell you. Okay. So, if two individuals are required, mom and dad, female and male, if they two individuals are required, then they are called as they produce gametes, and the gametes will fuse. This is sexual reproduction. Okay, so fusion of male and female gametes, it is called as fertilization. And by the process of fertilization, zygote will form, and this zygote will develop into new individual. We will talk this also in detail, don't worry. चलिए, तो मैंने आपको बताया two type of reproduction, two modes of reproduction: asexual and sexual. Asexual, single parent is involved. Sexual reproduction, two individuals are required, male and female. Male will produce the male gametes, that are, in case if we'll talk about humans, sperm is a male gamete, female egg is a female gamete. The fusion of male and female gamete, they will form zygote, and this zygote, I'll write here. So fusion of male plus female gametes to form zygote. This process is called as fertilization. This is called as fertilization. Okay, and this zygote will develop into new individual, or you can say baby. Okay, let's make out the difference between asexual and, okay, here also you can see only one parent is involved, asexual reproduction. Okay, we will talk asexual reproduction in detail. Before that, we will see the differences between asexual and sexual mode of reproduction. This table as it is, I have taken from your book. Now, this question can be framed in your exam also. Okay, 3-mark question, it can be of 2-marker or 3-marker. So, asexual reproduction, new individual is produced by a single parent. Sexual reproduction, usually two parents take part, male as well as female. In asexual reproduction, the gametes or sex cells are not produced. I will tell you what are gametes. Okay, you know your bodies are having different cells. Our body is made up of different cells. Okay, so few are somatic cells and few are sex cells. So the sex cells are generally involved in the process of reproduction. These, they are called as gametes. तो इन एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन नो गैमीट्स विल प्रोड्यूस, लेकिन सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन में आपको बताया गया है कि यहाँ पे मेल गैमीट्स भी बनेंगे, फीमेल गैमीट्स भी बनेंगे, और वो मेल और फीमेल गैमीट्स आपस में फ्यूज होंगे सो दैट जाइगोट विल बी फॉर्म्ड। ठीक है, asexual reproduction new individual is identical to the parent photocopy, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई दो कैरेक्टर्स आपस में मिक्स नहीं हो रहे, एक ही पेरेंट है, सिंगल पेरेंट है, उसी से नया जनरेशन बन रहा है। लेकिन सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन में न्यू इंडिविजुअल इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली आइडेंटिकल टू एनी ऑफ द पेरेंट्स, they are having features of both their parents. Just see your today, just see you in mirror, see yourself in mirror, you will find mixed characters of your mom and dad, right? आपको लगेगा कि मेरी आंखें मेरे पापा जैसी हैं, आपको लगेगा मेरे बाल मेरी मम्मा जैसे हैं, मेरी स्किन मेरे पापा जैसी है, या मेरी हैबिट्स, मेरी लाइकिंग्स डिसलाइक्स, you will notice that you are mixture of both your mom and dad, right? So the new individual is having characters or features of both mother and father. This question can come in exam as a very important asexual and sexual reproduction. Write down the difference, right? Let's talk about the asexual reproduction in detail. Now, children, animal reproduce asexually by number of methods. एक method नहीं, बहुत सारे method हैं. Binary fission है, budding है, fragmentation is there, regeneration is there. But in your book, if we will consider, then amoeba and hydra, reproduction in amoeba and reproduction in hydra is given. So we will discuss that only. Okay. First is budding. Budding. First method is budding. अब budding क्या है भाई? Budding is a very common method. It is generally seen in the hydra. Okay. So what happened here? Hydra and yeast also reproduce by buds. Now what happened in hydra and yeast? You know, they will form a bud-like structure. They will form a bud-like structure or a small outgrowth or a projection outside their body. Now, it is depend, like if when you go in the higher classes, you will study कि internal buds पे होती है, external buds पे होती है, but you will here consider the external bud. Okay, so the small bulb-like outgrowth that is formed on the body, this is called as bud. And the nucleus of the parent hydra, it will divide, and out of which one of the nucleus will move to the bud, and the bud will detaches from the parent body and it grow in full size to become an independent individual. You can see here is also in the yeast also, आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, these are the yeast cell. Okay, यहाँ पे पहले न्यूक्लियस जो है वो डिवाइड होगा, ये देखिए एक आउटग्रोथ बनी, गौरव वर्मा, यस, and a chain of these buds are formed here, and the nucleus will divide, and each one will detach from the parent body and they will completely grown up into the new individual. Suppose this is your hydra, ऐसा कुछ स्ट्रक्चर है हाइड्रा का, दिस इज योर हाइड्रा, यहाँ पे एक बर्ड निकली, दिस इज योर बर्ड, और यू कैन से इसको बर्ड ही बोलेंगे, प्रोजेक्शन बोल सकते हो, बल्ब बोल सकते हो, बर्ड बोल सकते हो. यहाँ पे न्यूक्लियस डिवाइड होगी and one nucleus will divide and one nucleus will move here. यहाँ पे न्यूक्लियस आई, ये पेरेंट बॉडी से ये डिटैच हो जाएगा ऐसे, जैसे ये डिटैच हुआ ये नया हाइड्रा बना लेगा. ओके, लुक हाउ इजी फॉर हाइड्रा टू रिप्रोड्यूस. जस्ट इमेजिन कि कोई आपके बॉडी पे से कोई आउटग्रोथ निकली एंड इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू अ न्यू इंडिविजुअल. Simple as it is, asexual reproduction, right? Now let's have a look to the binary fission in amoeba. देखिए binary fission. You know, amoeba unicellular organisms generally do this. So unicellular organisms like amoeba, they are reproducing by binary fission. Okay, fission का मतलब समझते हैं? Split होना, split होना. So in this method, the parent cell divides itself into two equal individuals. पहले nucleus divide होगी. First the nucleus will divide into two, and this is followed by the division of cytoplasm. Okay, and each of the new individual will get, I will draw. Here the diagram is also there, but see, suppose this is your amoeba. Amoeba is having irregular body, irregular shape. पढ़ा था ना मैं न्यूट्रिशन इन अमीबा, याद करो आप. Pseudopodias होते हैं उनके अंदर. They engulf the food. Suppose this is nucleus. I'm writing N for nucleus. So what happens? First the nucleus will divide. The nucleus will divide. Okay. Now, in the next step, the construction will form here like this. One nucleus will move to each part. Okay. Cytoplasm, it will also divide. Karyokinesis followed by cytokinesis. And you will see the two daughter amoeba carrying nucleus and cytoplasm. Simply binary fission is taking place. It's an asexual mode of reproduction again in amoeba. Okay. I hope you are getting what we are what I'm trying to explain you. So caution can come like this. Define reproduction. Define what are the asexual and sexual mode of reproduction, differences between asexual and sexual reproduction. Cautions can be framed like um, define any two mode of asexual reproduction, right? And caution can be like asked like this: name the animals in which budding and binary fission take place. Name the animals in which budding and binary fission takes place. So easily you can write down the answers. Come on, give me the answer in chat box. Name the animals in which budding and binary fission take place. The answer is in front of you. Amoeba, Pratham, right. Amoeba, Hydra, Pratham, right. Okay. So here are the differences between asexual. Arushi, your answer is also right. So here is the differences between asexual and sexual reproduction, right? Okay. Moving on to the sexual reproduction, but not now. We will take over the sexual reproduction in our next class. Okay.